you guys. So this is Sarah, my daughter-in-law, and this is Josh, my son. And they're both here today to help make some really yummy ice cream. We're doing some passion fruit ice cream right now. Stay tuned for this whole show because we are going to be freezing it with liquid nitrogen. So start with reducing the passion fruit. That's going to help make the ice cream so there won't be as much ice crystals in it, and the passion fruit's going to be stronger, more intense flavor.
Perfect. Let's crank it up.
So it takes a while to reduce this.
And just stir so it doesn't burn?
Yeah, a couple times I've done it. It takes close to 20 minutes.
Okay.
This is 2 cups, and we want to get it down to at least a cup. Less is even better. But good 20 minutes or so. So just have plenty of things to do. I actually cleaned the windows while I was reducing, while I made my last batch.
Well, I don't feel like cleaning any windows. So. Okay, so now we got the passion fruit juice nice and reduced. It's about a cup, right? About half the volume?
Yeah, it looks
maybe
like
a little less.
Less than half, which is good because then it's more concentrated.
Yeah. Okay, so go ahead and I'll let you add the milk and cream. I'll take
Great.
that. That's the good stuff.
Good stuff. That's what makes it ice cream.
All right. Then sugar and salt.
Sugar and salt.
So we're going to just let that get nice and warm. Okay.
Looks real good.
It does.
Smells like a tropical vacation.
Mm-hmm.
So we want to stir the sugar into the yolks. Get it all whisked up nice and smooth. And then, Josh, if you take a cup of the hot, milky passion fruit stuff.
Yeah.
And then we're going to temper the yolks.
Okay. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Slower, I think.
I can't really see.
Once the yolks are tempered and warmed up a little bit, then you can add them to the really hot milk passion fruit mixture. And then we're going to bring that temperature up to 180 to 185 degrees and make a nice custard out of it.
Okay. And dump this in?
Yep. There you go.
There we go. Okay, so now let's strain it and add the vanilla, and then we'll be done. There. Okay, don't forget the vanilla.
It's very easy to forget this step.
Oh. Put this in the fridge, we wait 2 hours, and then we can make the ice cream.
So, liquid nitrogen 101. You need it stored in a special container that's open and closed at the same time. See?
It's not sealed.
Gotta wear goggles.
You got my goggles?
Gloves.
Special gloves.
With chocolate on them.
How'd that happen?
Okay.
And then once we're safe, we can start to make the ice cream. Okay, so add the custard. Lick the bowl.
I was just gonna do that.
Okay.
Locked and loaded. Start.
Okay. Let's give it a try here. So I think if we get a nice, consistent, slow pour, we won't get too much in there to just splatter around.
And the droplets are splattering on us, but it doesn't hurt. It's weird.
You'll know it's done when the motor starts to drag a little bit. Well, you see, you pour too fast and then it just builds up and splashes out.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh. That's why I wear glasses, I guess.
I make sure to wear protective eye goggles whenever I'm cooking, no matter what I'm doing.
Yeah, I think you need them.
Yeah, you never know.
All right, that's good. Let's flip it up and see.
Looks like ice cream.
Perfect. Ready? Ooh. Good?
Mm-hmm. Dude, I think your dad will like this.
Mm-hmm.
John!
Want to try it?
Yes, I do.
I'm gonna unplug this.
Really good.
Safety first.
Oh, that's really good. Okay.